2024 Chevy Trax. I'm gonna show you how to pull out the cabin filter. Okay, so some of these come with dampers, some of them don't. This one doesn't have one, so you don't have to disconnect it. Okay, if yours had it, you're gonna go ahead and pull the damper arm and just disconnect it from this point here. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna pull the glove box stopper like this on both sides, and then you can lower the glove box down. All right, right here it says filter access door. Pinch this, pull towards you, pinch this, pull towards you. The door comes off. Notate airflow is down on this car. Just pull out the filter. Get you a new filter and replace it with this one. Of course, with the airflow pointed down. Okay, this one actually needs to be changed. I don't really have one, but I'm gonna recommend my customer they get one. If you need one, check the description box. And I'll have a link there that takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. Here's the GM part number if you need it. Get your new one, slap it in there. Your door just snaps back on super quick. All right, glove box. Actually, the glove box will come off the hinge. All you gotta do is just stick it right back on here like that. Close it. And you're all done.